brand spanking new 2025 M2. Not competition, might be competition, I don't know. There's no badging on it, but thing is sick. 200 miles on this thing. This guy left the dealer, brought it to G Exhaust, and didn't just do a regular system. He went full Akrapovic. It's a surprise for his woman. He went all out on this, man. He went a full titanium cap back from Akrapovic, went the high flow catted downpipes from Akrapovic, and the link pipes with the sick carbon tips. That we got the new updated tips for the Akrapovic system. There's a few different variations. We're gonna show you once we get it in. It's on the way right now. As of right now, we got the system dropped. You guys should see it's a pretty solid, basic G80 system like the M3s. This is the same car, but smaller, more compact. G87 M2 stock system looks like this, right? So you got the black factory tips on there. You got the stock big ass muffler, not doing anything for performance or sound. You got the valve control in the back with the dual Y pipes. You got matte taking off the hangers. It got BMW hangers on there. 2 resonators for ultimate restriction. We're getting rid of all that, man. Akrapovic upgraded everything. The only thing that's staying on this car, unfortunately, are the secondary cats. The system does bolt right into that. So we're upgrading everything. Full cap back, full Akrapovic build. Later on, we might do an air intake, some charge pipes, stuff like that. But as of right now, downpipes, full cap back on a brand new M2 with that baby blue paint job. Let me show you the car real quick. Like I said, baby blue paint job, looking super clean. The thing's got carbon everywhere, straight from factory. These things look awesome. Rear diffuser in carbon. It does have a full M Performance carbon package. Comes with the rear diffuser, the side paneling. It's got some front work. Let me show you that real quick. Does not have side skirts, but does have a mean ass front lip, which is pretty damn sick. You guys can see it. The vents are carbon. Got this sick ass panel right here. The car looks amazing, man. I don't know why the grill's not carbon or the front, this front baby grill, but still looks damn awesome. Looks fucking sweet. So, like I said, baby blue M2, looking crispy, and we're gonna make this shit sound sick. So, Akrapovic cap back, surprise for your lady. If you love your lady, you get her engagement ring and an Akrapovic system at G Exhaust. That's it, that's the BMW M2 with the baby blue paint job. Sick ass ride. Brand new 2025, straight out the gate. Guy comes through, what does he do? Spoil his girl with an Akrapovic cap back, high flow catted downpipes. You know what? So she could track it. That's sick. This is what people do at G Exhaust, guys. They buy a brand new M2, probably $100,000 build right here, and then slaps a $15,000 exhaust system on there. You guys see it, the Akrapovic tips look awesome. Matches the rest of the carbon. I really like the contrast. Got a flat look with a gloss look. Looks absolutely insane. There's no tip on the market that looks like that. I think it looks amazing. Sounds great. Unfortunately, we cannot rev it right now because it's still in the break-in stage. Car has 200 miles on it. The break-in stage is at least 300 before you can rev it over 2,000 RPM. So we're not gonna blow this guy's car up. We're gonna let him do it. Hopefully he pulls up, gives us some revs. If not, he'll be back next week. We'll do an update video for you guys. So that's it, man. Super clean baby blue M2. One of my favorite Beamers on the road right now, guys. Just look at it, man. Super clean. Got the really sweet seats in there. Got the awesome retro grille. Got the bird shit. You know what I'm saying? Carbon vents on the corners. Car looks great. I mean, I don't think you can get much more car, especially for the money. Even a used M2, I think is a great bang for the buck. Got the same engine as M3 and M4, and it's lighter. Seems to be faster. You can do the same things as you're doing to the M3s and M4s, but to an M2. Lighter, quicker, more nimble. You know what I'm saying? Probably steers better. So, yeah, man, that's it. Yeah, Gio, we're working tomorrow. It's Saturday, the busiest day of the week. Straight pie Saturday. Maybe Supercharged Saturday. We'll get some videos of we'll try to do a vlog tomorrow for you guys. So, anyways, like I said, brand new M2. Shout out to the customer bringing us Raptor R M2. I mean, dude, the guy's got some, you know, I don't know the word I was looking for, Jay. I fucking lost it. The guy's got style, you know. Like I said, badass ride. We appreciate the work, guys. If you got an M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, we do them all. You guys see them. Just check the YouTube. Hit the next video. G exhaust, straight pipe by G exhaust. Just watch the next video. It's probably some more BMWs. Everything from 330s to 340s to M6s to M8s. We got you. We got deals, babies. G exhaust. Right down the street from the Hard Rock. Gexhaust.com and G Exhaust Oakland Park. We got you guys. We out.